Hi, my name is Metalmouth, and we're here to tell you some jokes.
Hi, I'm Bear Guy, and that sounds like a great idea.
What did the sick banana say to its mother?
I don't know. What did the sick banana say to his mother?
I don't peel good.
Ha ha ha! That's a funny one. Yum, yum, yum.
Here's a good bear joke for you. Why can't the 3 bears get into their house?
I don't know. Why can't the 3 bears get into their house?
Because Goldie locks the door.
Woohoo! That's another funny one. Yum, yum. See you next time.